Out of sight, out of mind. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with a little face mask. I hope I had it on right side up. Sometimes I put it on upside down. Uh, Talking about out of sight, out of mind for our annual challenge day, the BU 365-day challenge. Do one thing every day that improves us. That's not what that was about. That was for supersize your business. Oh, it's a Monday. Ever have a Monday? Out of sight, out of mind, we talked about for supersize your business, and I shared several ways you can use that expression, that idiom, to build and grow the business that you want. My granddaughter reminded me that out of sight, out of mind, that could be a good thing. We're having a sleepover. That could be a good thing with respect to paying attention and focusing on what it is that you want to spend your attention and your energy on. Like, she's a first grader, and in school, they have a window in her room. She said sometimes the snowplows will go by and it distracts them, but then the teacher just reminds them to focus and pay attention. So if they didn't have a window in their room, maybe they wouldn't have to worry about it because they wouldn't see or notice the snowplow or the school buses or the playground or whatever's outside their window. So out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind was our expression, our idiom, what things mean for supersize your business. And I like to talk about every day. I think this was 1100, which means it's really more like 1200. But today was our 1100th idiom through a page I'm tracking. Maybe we were like at 1150 or 1160. I've lost count because I've done so many now. And some have been repeated, right? You know, I'll do one and then maybe a year and a half later I'll do it again because it's appropriate to the topic that we're covering. This segment, this month, we're covering emotion related idioms. So out of sight, out of mind is of course an emotion related idiom. It ties into love, and then not long after this idiom became popular, absence makes the heart grow fonder. That proverb and idiom became popular because people wanted to offset what they thought was the negative of out of sight, out of mind, love the one you're with. Remember that song? With absence makes the heart grow fonder. And I've experienced both, as you may very well have too, right? Sometimes when we're away from our family, when we go away to school or when we go on a trip or to camp or something, we missed our family. And so absence made the heart grow fonder. We forgot, you know, all the things that drove us crazy about them and missed them while we were away. But out of sight, out of mind, I like to use that one when there's something I don't want to experience. I remember my son, when he was like 21, just turned 21, went to Nepal to climb Mount Everest, ended up getting high mountain altitude sickness and had to be helicoptered off the mountain to Kathmandu. And, you know, I'm thousands and thousands of miles away. There's nothing I can do about it. Luckily, we were smart enough to get trip insurance, so it was taken care of. And he was taken care of, but it could have gone really badly. So instead of worrying every single day, every minute of the day, I tapped into out of sight, out of mind in a positive way so that I wasn't spending all my time and energy worrying about something I had no control over. So I like to take what things mean and use them in ways that serve me and not in ways that don't serve me. So I can use out of sight, out of mind to reduce worry, jealousy, concern, doubt, fear, victimhood, negativity, anything I don't want to feel. I cannot give it my attention, and things I do want to feel, I'll give my attention to. So our annual challenge today, day 52 of our 365-day challenge, to do one thing every day that improves us. We're focusing on emotion this segment. The month of February is our second segment. And we're focusing on emotional well-being. And our topic today was letting emotions and feelings roll through us so that we experience them in a way that serves us, that doesn't harm us. And we can do that in a bunch of different ways. We talked about the different ways we can do that. You can catch that on the Get Up and Go Challenge private Facebook group, Guide 15, if you want to find those in order or review that. Any questions, hit me up and ask. Otherwise, I'm having a sleepover fun day with my amazing granddaughter. I'm looking at her right now because she's not out of sight and out of mind. She's in sight and definitely in mind. And I will, of course, be sitting around just to let you know what I'm doing as I transitioned from, in 2017, the offline brick and mortar corporate world to the online world, and now how I'm involved and engaged in both. Any questions about that? Just ask, and I'll see you tomorrow.